It's been very interesting, but the best part is working together for these 40 years. I know that every time I fire her, she'll come back to work the next day.
And every time I quit, I'll probably have a job the next day.
But in all seriousness, it's been a wonderful, wonderful experience. Working and living in the same place is very fulfilling. It takes a lot of the stress out of everything. Our daughters grew up watching us start this business, and now they're actively participating and bringing us brand new ideas, showing us new marketing tools that we didn't even know existed. It's a very fulfilling experience.
Definitely.
I just have so many fond memories of the mill and seeing my family grow their business and how much they care about customers. And I just think it's so cool that we are a family business because we tend to include our customers into that feeling of loved ones. And, you know, my dad goes and grabs them vegetables from his garden and they get the tour and they meet our rescue puppy dogs that we love dearly, and we really have a cool family dynamic. I think we're all alike in some ways, definitely, as far as having a passion for woodworking and green building especially, but we're also different, you know. We each have our own dynamic qualities. I mean, we all have definitely individuality, which makes it fun, you know. But we pull it all together with the love of a family and the love for the business and doing it well.
Family business means to me trust and respect. There's levels of both that you just can't get in any other industry besides a small family business. And I think this really comes from the fact that you all have to trust and respect that you will pull your own weight, because it's not a big corporation. You don't have so many levels. So if you don't dedicate yourself and work hard, things don't get done. And if things don't get done, then the business doesn't prosper, and then it directly affects your family. You know your family's going to trust you and try to appreciate your idea, so that way they can integrate it, because you're really all on the same journey together of trying to make the business prosperous, because then it makes your family prosperous. And that's just something really special to me that I appreciate, and you know, I'll be in family business as long as I can.